The thing with a lot of people is that their minds are scrambled. Their minds are not working the way it should be working. So they're unable to estimate consequences, and basically they're unable to use common sense and understand arguments. So when you're a person that is actually able to use your mind, or to use a bigger percentage of your mind than the average, the regular people, it'll be very difficult for you to communicate or to work with these people on anything. And it's kind of sad and kind of a harsh reality that most people will not be able to have a fruitful conversation with you, and you'll have to look for people and search for people that you'll be able to have these conversations with, where you can see that the conversations actually are leading somewhere. So you can agree on something, and then after you agree, you can take action.